How to delete Instagram accounts permanently. So what you need to do is head forward into your Instagram. Then you're going to see this profile option at the bottom right corner, so you go ahead and click on it. Right here you're going to go ahead and click on these three lines at the top right corner. Then from here you're going to go ahead and click on account center, and then it's going to go ahead and load. Then you click on personal details. So once you click on personal details, you're going to see this option which says accounts ownership and control. So you go ahead and click on it. Here it says deactivation or deletion, so you click on it. Then right here you're going to go ahead and choose your accounts you want to delete. So I'm going to go with this account. And then right here is going to show you to delete your account right from here. And then you can see if you delete, you can temporarily deactivate your account also from here. So you choose the option which says delete account and click on continue. And then here you're going to click again on continue. And then here they're going to ask for the reason why you want to delete your account. So I'll click on I want to remove something. Then I'll go ahead and continue. And then right here I'm going to go ahead and click again on continue. And then here you can see that deleting your account is permanent. When you delete your Instagram account, your profile photos, videos, comments, likes and followers will permanently remove. If you just like to take a break, you can temporarily deactivate your account. So you go ahead and click on continue. It's going to go ahead and ask you to insert your password to go ahead and delete your Instagram account. Note this is permanently.